Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold this paper bird. So I'm going to use the big paper that I used in my last video. So start right side up and fold your paper in half. Do the same with the other side. Next, turn it over, fold this edge up, increase, fold this edge up, and do the same with this side, fold it to the corner, crease, up and crease. So now it should look like this. Flip it over and pop down here. So next it should look like this. Just bring these folds together and then you should have 2 on each side. So 2 over here and 2 over here. Next we're gonna petal fold, which is starting by folding this edge to this crease, this edge to this crease, line it up, and fold this crease down. It should look like this. Turn it around, fold this edge up, this edge to the middle crease, and it should look like this. Next, you're just gonna unfold this, unfold all of this, and now you're gonna just press on this crease, bring it, and just keep pressing, and flatten when you got both creases at the same time. So now you're gonna do the same on the back, so reverse it, and then open up, fold on this crease, and make sure it goes all the way, and reverse on this crease. Now your paper should look like this. This is going to be the wings, you can already see. So now all we have to do is open this up a bit, fold this edge up so that it goes up to this line is aligned with this line. So this middle crease is aligned with this crease. We'll do the same with the other side, align it with the same piece. So fold up, fold in, and then just bring it so that this crease is aligned with this. Now it should look like this. We're gonna make the head, so now we're gonna open this up, and now we're gonna fold it down as much as you want. You can fold it as much as you want. So yeah, here's your paper bird. You can also make it stand, just open it here a bit, and then open the bottom of it, and then you got it to stand. And yeah. Also you have to bend the wings open. And it can flap a bit if you just push the tail. So, yeah, this is the bird. Thank you for watching. Bye.